If you raise chickens, you know that they need grain. Typically, that's what most people expect. But Carl Hammer at Vermont Compost has been raising chickens for egg laying for many years, and he's never given them grain. They essentially live off the compost piles. So they're probably eating worms and bugs and all kinds of things like that that are high in protein. If you like this kind of stuff, this is a segment of a longer form video that I did with Carl at Vermont Compost, and these are the kind of videos that go up on my membership site, fromthefield.farm. And up until October 18th, I'm releasing a video every single day that is a segment of one of those videos. So if you want to check it out, head over to fromthefield.farm, and the link is in the show notes here. The registration ends on October 18th. And it's risk-free, so if you want to check it out and you find within the first 30 days that you don't like it and it's not for you, no problem, no questions asked, you get your money back. So check it out if that interests you. The link is in the show notes. All right, guys, enjoy this one.
So this is where stuff comes in. Yeah, I got laughed at a lot. You can't do that.
Of course.
So, but you know, once you build it, the gravity never goes away.
Yeah.
And so we let other people truck things to the top.
Right.
Jerusalem artichokes, we grow 4 different distinct varieties on the farm. They are incredible poultry habitat.
Is that right?
Yes, because they eat it. The worms come to the surface, and on a hot day, could be 15 degrees cooler or more. So we always try to have, and of course they're fantastic indicators they're utilizers and indicators. So they're an indicator plant for nutrients.
Yeah.
And a utilizer, and they're native perennial. And they'll stand up to quite a vigorous amount of chicken work. As you can say, chickens like to work them.
They do.
We have now about 800 birds. So one of the first things that happens with food, community food, and because this chicken house was built in about 2000. I've known since 2005 that it needed to move.
Yeah.
I hope this year we're going to get there. We've produced eggs for sale on this farm now since, on every day of every year since 1998, without buying grain.
Wow.
And I know a lot of people aren't going to believe me.
Yeah, I know. The skepticism with that is unbelievable. To be here and to see it is
And this chicken house has worked pretty well. It's not in the right spot for the farm at the moment. And
how many birds do you have at any given time?
well, right now about 800, 750 or 800. We are aspiring to, in the new house that we're building, to have 1,000.
So you get about an egg a day?
Our layout right now, and I don't have current numbers, our layout is probably under 50%. We have a bunch of older birds. With new Australorp pullets of good breeding, first in their full lay, when we were doing it very tight management, which we did better in certain times,
yeah,
we were getting a layout of about 86-7%. But remember, we keep our birds for a lot of years.
And you're not giving them grain?
We don't give them any grain.
So
they forage, and you can see, this is bird sculpture.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So right now we're feeding in 2 places. We are actually going to provide a covered space.